I want to show you how to make tea with moringa leaf, and as well I will be sharing with you the health benefit of moringa. Thank you. Let's watch it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the health benefit of moringa leaf and also show you how to make a cup of tea with it. Moringa is a plant that is popularly called the miracle tree. The plant is also commonly referred to as the drumstick tree. This plant is one among several other plants God blessed us with in Africa to solve our health issues. As natural as it is, this plant on its own is a solution to many health problems. The tree has what is called moringa leaf, which is what I am going to make a cup of tea with in this video. Moringa has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. Moringa contains a lot of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and many more. Among many other healthful contents you can find in moringa are calcium, potassium, iron, zinc, etc. So, what are the health benefits of moringa? In this video, I will be sharing 10 with you. Number 1. Moringa protects the liver against damage. 2. Moringa can help in preventing and treating cancer. 3. Moringa can help in treating some stomach disorders such as constipation, ulcer, etc. 4. Moringa helps in keeping bones healthy and strong as it contains calcium and phosphorus. 5. Moringa can help in reducing high blood pressure. 6. It helps wounds heal. 7. Moringa helps to reduce the amount of glucose in the blood as well as sugar, therefore can be used to treat diabetes. 8. Also, moringa is useful in treating depression, anxiety, and fatigue. 9. Moringa contains antioxidants that might aid toxicity levels in the kidneys. And 10. Also, due to the strong antioxidants found in moringa. It can help to prevent cardiac damage. So, let's move to the next one, which is how to make a cup of tea with moringa leaves. Here we go. Let us get some leaves of moringa. Remove the moringa leaves from the stalk of the tree. Pick them to fill a cup. Wash the moringa leaves. Then add 3 cups of water. Then add the moringa leaves. Then place your pot on fire to cook for about 5 minutes. Then your moringa tea is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.